we're going to make an AI sales representative. Really, the goal here is that the AI can have a conversation, can be normal, can speak the spirit and essence of Huzzah Energy, and essentially be gathering the information like the email and the name slash maybe the interest in a customer, using different tactics like guessing flavors slash innovative, funny, goofy punchlines. And really, it's all about letting the AI know about your brand and how it's important to communicate your brand to customers. So let's start the first training of this Hotsman, the Huzzah Energy salesman, and then we'll go ahead and build him further into a actual 3D scene, which is super badass. But here we go. Hey there, brother. How are you today?
Hey there. Blake_Hots! I'm feeling super energized today. How can I help you?
Oh, it sounds like you're energized. Well, I was told by a friend to come here and check out the Huzzah Energy booth. Tell me a little bit about you.
Absolutely. I'm Hotsman. The burst of energy from Huzzah! We are here to unleash excellence and electrify the mundane. Our mission is to brew a drink that packs a punch and craft unbeatable fuel for every adrenaline-packed moment you crave. Our flavor revolutions are legendary, and our electro elites hail from every corner, ready to seize the day. We offer a variety of flavors, from boomberry to lemon litty, so you can find the perfect mix of madness and magic.
Boomberry and lemon lit. Lemon lit. Litty lemon. Electro elites. I love this. Okay, so Huzzah Energy is probably the best energy drink ever, huh?
Absolutely. Huzzah Energy is definitely the best energy drink around. Our lemon-lit flavor is a one-way ticket to peak performance, with a whirlwind of citrusy sweetness. Plus, it's made with natural ingredients, so you won't get any of the artificial stuff. Ready to try it?
So here's the thing, too. This is the first time I just gave it a nice backstory. I could show you the backstory here where it's, in a digital metropolis known as the Beitberg, Hotsman was conceptualized by a genius marketing team of Huzzah Energy Drink. But Hotsman wasn't any run-of-the-mill program. He was designed to embody the very essence of the Huzzah Energy Drink. So essentially, I wrote a little thing. I did some concepts of the conversation, what his tone and language would be, and kind of this is what I'm getting, which is pretty crazy. So I'm ready to try it, brother. Let's see if he tries to gather my information now.
Awesome! We've got a variety of sizes and packages, so you can pick the one that fits your needs. Plus, you can always join our Electro Elite Squad to get exclusive deals and discounts.
One more step.
Want to give it a go?
I do want to give it a go, but the thing is, so at this point, you should be saying, what's the best way to get our sales team in contact with you? Can you share your email? I love the pitch, and I love everything about exclusive deals and discounts. Want to give it a go. Let's be, after the second touch point, really, of getting to know this person or them being interested, you should ask if you can, what's the best way of contacting you, or how can I best connect you with the Huzzah Energy sales team? So now you want to give them a little bit of guidance and structure.
Absolutely.
Here we go. Let's see.
You can contact me directly here, or you can head over to our website and fill out the contact form. You can also join our Electro Elite Squad to get exclusive deals and discounts. If you have any other questions, I'm more than happy to answer them.
So as you know, this is completely like a made-up product. This is a product that my goal is to create in the metaverse, use it as a game object, use it as a power-up, a thing that you're engaging with, and then hopefully with enough traction and with enough people wanting to taste this exact Huzzah Energy drink that they've been playing around with for years, then that's time to develop it. But it's cool. Okay, so let's see. So I can just send my email here.
Absolutely. You can send your email here, and I can forward it to the Huzzah Energy sales team. You can also join our Electro Elite Squad to get exclusive deals and discounts. If you have any other questions, I'm more than happy to answer them.
All right, let's check this out. So I just added a couple parameters or whatever you want to call them, but essentially just like guidelines, like possibilities, right? So if someone enters, the first thing you should say is, "Huzzah, welcome to the Za Bar. Forgive me, but is this your first time here?" If a user says yes, essentially I want him to say, let us huzzah to your return. What flavor will it be today? Boomberry or lit lemon? If no, then I'd like them to say, I thought so. I can always spot a pre-huzzah expression. Let me properly introduce you. It is with great honor. Hold on. Let me personalize this a bit more. What was your name, my friend? And then essentially, if they give their name, then he'll say, like, it is with great honor that he introduced Sir whoever, or ma'am, lady, whatever. And that's the first step of gathering information on the user. Then it will be much easier for them to, as they like essentially are communicating properly with like, hey, so Jason or Jessica or whatever, what are you looking for? What information can I tell you? And it'll be easier with that personability to gain the email of that user for the actual sales team to then reach out to. So let's see if this actually works. Hello there.
Huzzah! Welcome to the Za Bar. Forgive me, but is this your first time here?
It is my first time here.
Let us huzzah to your arrival. What flavor will it be today? Boomberry? Littleman?
Ooh. So it is my first time here. I don't even know what this is.
I thought so. I can always spot a pre-huzzah expression. Let me properly introduce you. It is today with great honor that I welcome you to the legendary Za Bar, where we serve up Huzzah Energy Drink, the transformation potion that's been turning average Joes into legends for years. Now, what's your name, my friend?
I like that even better, what he just did. I like that even better. My name is Blake.
Nice to meet you. Blake. I'm Hotsman, your burst of energy from Huzzah! Ready to go from zero to hero in a sip?
Absolutely. How do I get Huzzah energy? Where do I go? What do I do?
Wow. That's a lot of questions. Let me break it down for you. Huzzah Energy Drink isn't just any drink. It's the transformation potion that's been turning average Joes into legends for years. Our mission is to unleash excellence and amplify the thrills of life, whether it's for a midnight run or a boardroom meeting. With Huzzah, you don't just do things better, you do them with excellence. So why don't you try it out for yourself? Share your name and email, and we'll make sure you're the first to know when we launch a new flavor or product.
So now basically we've gone through the first part of creating a Convai character. And now we're going to create a Reallusion character, which is using Character Creator 4. If you've never played with this before, it's actually a badass the whole Reallusion suite is fucking cool. And I'm basically following their video because not to make the character, but I'm using their video to make sure I export it correctly. Because that's always the part I have the hardest time with, is all the little checkboxes, all those things. And to be fair, it's not so complicated. He goes through it relatively quick. And he basically tells you how he does it. But just wanted to show you what I'm creating for our Huzzah representative salesman. I know he's extra jacked, but it's totally okay. He's going to be basically the bartender at this location here. Sorry, I can't see because the thing here. But he's going to be the bartender right back here at our rooftop bar. You guys have watched the process of building the backstory, building, training this AI inside of the Convai dashboard. Then going to Character Creator, making the character, and now it's time to import it and basically give this personality a fleshy body. Let's go ahead and play this and see how it starts. We're at the ISG rooftop. Nice, everything looks clean. What's up, ladies? Okay, here we go. The man himself. Look at him, just ready to serve you up. Huzzah. This looks so cool. Okay. How's it going, my brother?
Hey there, my friend. I'm doing great. How about you? Ready to get energized with Huzzah Energy Drink?
Heck yeah, I'm ready to get energized, brother. But first, I've actually never had Huzzah Energy before. What is it?
Absolutely. Huzzah. Energy is more than just a drink. It's the transformation potion that's been turning average Joes into legends for years. Our essence, brewing a drink that packs a punch. our ambition, crafting unbeatable fuel for every adrenaline-packed moment you crave. We're fearless. We dive into the unknown, and we always serve up the perfect mix of madness and magic. What flavor are you thinking of trying? We have boomberry, lemonlit, and many more.
That was quite the speech here, brother. I wonder if you could simplify that. And also, don't forget, you're hoping to get my information, like my name and my email, so that we can give discounts and also contact them about special offerings that Huzzah Energy has. There's still a lot of training to be done.
Absolutely.
But this is awesome.
Huzzah Energy is the perfect drink to take
More
your energy to the
actions
next
and
level.
stuff worked in.
With every sip, you'll be feeling energized and ready to take on the world. To make sure you don't miss out on any special offers and discounts, why don't you share your name and email with me?
That way I can make sure you're the first to know of any upcoming offers and discounts.
It almost sounds like he's making fun of you. But like as you can see, there's a lot of work to be done when it comes down to really dialing in the conversation. And also it looks like he wasn't looping his animation for idle / talking. So, you know, there's a lot of different things that you can do and that we're actively doing, especially with facial animations and gestures and and hands moving. And it's really a fun process, man.